describing my experience in joining ION, I didn't hesitate to say yes. And that's because I have been nothing but pleased since joining some 58 days ago. Since joining, I'll tell you, the day I joined and I got my passwords and everything and I looked through the material, man, if it ended there, that would have been fine. I'll tell you that. That's the value of what you get, from the library of, step-by-step instructions. The recipe and ingredients for succeeding in this business is there. And it's step-by-step instructions. Not easy. I'm not going to tell you that. I struggled. I swore. But it is there. And if you implement it, and I've only implemented one, they talk about multi-channels of lead generation, and I've actually only implemented one. I've just started to implement the second, and the leads are coming in. I'm having conversations with people on a daily basis. I learned how to qualify some. Initially I was just telling everyone to apply, and ION, their back office, the people that you work with there, they're great people, and I was just giving them a lot of not such great business. So right now there's a lot of good applications coming in, qualified applications coming in. I'm talking to people on a daily basis, and I'm really getting back what I put in. The commission split is very favorable, and the back office, my account manager, team leader, whatever you want to call them, I don't really understand the hierarchy or the corporate structure, but they work hard for you. And they're there for you. They'll get on the phone with a prospect and show you how to qualify them. And you do that a couple times. They're there to explain how the different products work, answer those questions about qualifications, etc. I could only recommend, if you're on the fence about this, you're wondering, why should I spend some money? Why should I spend my sweat equity and my actual equity? If this is a business you want to get into and you're serious about getting into it, ION is the place to be.